Hi there, it's Auntie Sarah, and tonight I hope Thad is watching. I have some knowledge that lets me know that you like trains. So Auntie Sarah went to the library and found some train books this week. So I hope you enjoy them. Let's read. The Circus Train by Jennifer Cole Judd. Illustrated by Melanie Matthews. Circus train spills over the hills. Along the road, crews unload. Workers zoom. Tents bloom. Clowns paint faces, straighten laces. Day grows warm, long lines form. Scurry feet, find a seat. Spotlights glow, let's start the show. Elephants dancing, poodles prancing, tumbling, twirling, flags unfurling. Diving, dipping, trapeze flipping, oohs and ahs, applause, applause. Tigers and horses weave through their courses. Vendors are handy, cotton candy. Fire on the grounds, here come the clowns. Ringmaster cries, look out, cream pies. Tightrope wire and cannon fire. The crowds roar, encore, encore. A floor of roses, the circus closes. Crews load cars beneath the stars. Train lights glow, time to go. Circus train spills over the hills.